They like to delude themselves into thinking that they can always manipulate the outcome of any situation. It is rare for them to encounter a situation that they cannot manipulate, either physically, sexually, emotionally, psychologically, psychically, energetically, or with black magic. They will go all out and will do the most they can do just to feed their ego. They will try to fake apologize, make fake offers, promise the moon and the stars, love bomb, guilt trip, and just do the most for another chance to stab you in the back again. They will lie, cheat, steal, sometimes kill, and be scandalous as fuck, trying to rally people against you in an attempt to break through your boundaries and defenses. They are even open to sacrificing their acquaintances, friends, family, or blood relatives, all in the hopes you contact them again or play in your energy again.